So, you know, a Kia dealer, of course, all these crates. And this isn't just one Kia dealer, it's every Kia dealer. These are all engines. And these are mostly engines, these big crates at least. And I'll show you one more spot. And all of those are engines as well. And that is pretty much every Kia dealer I've been to in the last few years. But as I said, that's not just this Kia dealer, that is pretty much every Kia dealer, so it has very little to do with the dealership and much more to do with the manufacturer.